Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature onto your AOL mail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser, then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the AOL mail website. If you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button at the top section and then use your credentials to log in. Once you have been logged in, click on the inbox option and you will find all of the emails that you have received within your account. If you wish to add any signature, click on the settings option at the top right corner and then click on more settings. From the more settings page, click on writing email at the left section, and if you scroll down you will find the signature option. Click on the toggle to enable your signature and then you can edit your signature within the box that is given underneath. Now you can type in a signature in the text form and you can also input any image or add any emojis and make various different changes to your text. You can also click on the three dots at the right side to make any changes into your text format. And there you have it. That is how you can add your signature onto your account on your AOL mail. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.